Handi Heat 300-watt Magnum magnetic heater. CSA approved. Ideal for use on trucks, diesels, and farm machinery. Thermostatically controlled. The Magnum is an upscale version of the Handi Heat, featuring two powerful magnets and expanded heating surface. It can be used on many of the same applications as the Handi Heat, plus its larger size makes it ideal for use on trucks, diesels, and farm machinery. Top reviews from the United States. My results on an F256.7L diesel. Air Temp 10F with 15 to 20 miles per hour wind. Oil Temp 7F Crankcase Temp 4F. After 4 hours Air Temp 10F, Oil Temp 14F Crankcase Temp 24F. I don't know how that compares to an installed engine block heater. Oil Temp is from the truck's info center. CSA Temp is from a handheld IR thermometer.